How to order on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can order product on Shein. So in order to order product on Shein, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, make sure that you already have a Shein account. So for that, go ahead and log into your Shein account. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now then, to begin with the order, now all you have to do is, first of all, you have to select the category. Let's see that I'm going to go with the dress. And once you have located the following item, I'm going to go with this one. And after that, you need to select the color, size, quality and all that. And then you need to go ahead and tap on add to cart. Once the product has already been added to the cart, then you can simply go ahead and check out the product, or you can keep on shopping. But then I'm just gonna go ahead and tap on the cart icon located right at the bottom. As you can see, this is the particular item that I've added on the following product that I've added on the following cart. Now all you need to do is just, if you want to go ahead and select the product or you want to buy the product, then you need to click on checkout located right at the bottom. First of all, select the item that you wish to check out and click on checkout located right at the bottom. Then you need to provide in your shipping address. That includes entering your location, first name, last name, your phone number, your city address, your state and a provincial, all that, and click on the save button. As soon as you've done that, it's going to direct you to the payment page where you need to select whether you want to do it cash on delivery, COD, or whether you want to do it online. So select either one of it, and accordingly you'll need to pay for it. So after you've done with that transaction, it's gonna confirm your order, and it's also gonna provide you with the date on what time or date the product is going to be arrive. So in that way you can order product on Shein. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.